How to install CapCut in Windows 11. Also start editing video and export it. Let's do it.
Go to any browser and search for CapCut. Click on first search result, CapCut.com. From this page, click Download for Windows. Once CapCut is downloaded, click here to open Downloads folder. Right-click on CapCut.exe and choose Run as Administrator to start installation. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. CapCut is setting environment for first time. Have patience, it takes little time. CapCut is ready to go. Let's create a project and try editing a video. Click on Import to import any video for editing. Drag imported video to this workspace. Now let's remove unwanted video portion from beginning of video. You can use this to zoom video frames in workspace. Move this line up to the position you want to delete from beginning in video. Click this, Delete Left, to remove video from the left. Now let's delete unwanted video portion at the end of video. To do so, move this seek line to the position from where you want to delete video towards right. Then, click on this Delete Right button. Video is deleted from the line position to the end of video. We are done with editing. Let's export this video and check. To export this video, click this Export button in right top. Name the video. Leave other video setting as default. Finally click Export. Here we go. Your video is ready.